All right, so we are in Sarasota, Florida, just before the hurricane. I'm at the gas station, University, Sarasota, Florida, at Lakewood Ranch. Here, let me see if I can turn this around. I can't. See right there? It says Lakewood Ranch, Osprey Village. The gas station's out of regular, out of extra, and Supreme only. So that's all I can get for my car. So I have to take the pump off. Okay. I have to, I guess I should have done this before, but put that in. Gas pump in. Premium. They're out of extra, they're out of regular. Okay? Premium's the only one we can get. They said they're almost out of that, and this is before the hurricane. So we'll see what we can get on premium. At least to get home, because I'm coming from the Hard Rock, and it is 2 something in the morning. It's 1:45 a.m. This is just before the hurricane, so I guess this is what they call the calm before the storm. Look at that. 372. 372. The pump's out of gas at 372. What do we do with 372? I can't even get, it's a gallon and a quarter. $3.72. See that right there? $3.72. That's what we get. Okay. So this is the calm before all day today. The gas station has been packed. See y'all another day during the hurricane. See you tomorrow.